So here we have a coffee pot in the shape of a cylinder. They tell us that the radius is 5 and h is the depth of the coffee in the pot measured in inches, and h is a function of time measured in seconds. So the volume of the pot is changing at this rate right here. So dV dt is equal to negative 5 pi radical h. And they were nice enough to give us the formula for volume. So for part A, we have to show that dH dt is equal to negative radical h over 5. So let's see. We know that V equals pi r squared h, but we also know that r is constant at 5. So this is going to be 25 pi h. So now let's find dV dt. That's going to be 25 pi dH dt. dV dt they give us. Okay, let's divide both sides by 25 pi. This is gone. That's gone, and look, we've got a negative 5 over 25, which is negative 1/5. So here we have negative radical h over 5 equals dH dt. Okay, that wasn't so bad. Part B. Okay, we get to solve a differential equation. Okay, these are fun. First, we separate the variables. So let's put negative 5 dH equals, I'm going to make that h to the 1/2 dt. And so this is going to be h to the negative 1/2 dH equals negative 1/5 dt. Now it doesn't really matter where you put this. We can leave the negative 5 on this side. We should arrive in the same place in the end. So let's integrate both sides. On the left, what do we have? We're going to have h to the 1/2 times 2, and this will be negative 1/5 t plus c. So let's go solving for t. They give us some initial conditions here. H equals 17 when t equals 0. So 2, this will be radical 17 equals negative 1/5 times 0 plus c. So c is 2 radical 17. We'll put that back in. So 2 h to the 1/2 equals negative 1/5 t plus 2 radical 17. We will divide everything by 2. So this is negative 1/10 t plus plain old radical 17. And if we square both sides, we have our h. Okay, last part. When is the coffee pot empty? Well, the coffee pot will be empty when h is equal to 0. So we'll take our h that we found in part B and set that equal to 0. So negative 1/10 t, this squared equals 0, which means that is 0. So t equals 10 radical 17 seconds.